We think that universities are absolutely critical for driving innovation. One of my former colleagues used to say that the most effective vehicle for technology transfer is the moving van that comes and takes the graduates to their new positions in industry.
This the reaction of U.S. Energy Secretary Ernest Moniz after spending nearly 2 hours touring the University of Houston's Energy Research Park. Moniz, himself a nuclear physicist, began his tour meeting with UH researchers talking about the University of Houston's subsea engineering program.
And I'll also congratulate the Chancellor and the Chairman for also the way they're building partnerships with universities and around the world and with industry.
Only a few in the world are doing what we're doing here, especially in the subsea area. I think it was incredibly important for him to come here and have a first-hand view of what we're doing.
We have grants from Department of Energy, and we wanted him to see that we are using every single penny that they're giving us.
Secretary Moniz also got a full look at the University of Houston's National Wind Energy Center, which started in 2010 with a $2.3 million grant from the U.S. Department of Energy.
I hope they see the work that we're doing and they continue to support us and what we're working towards.
Second-year PhD student Ethan Pedno was among those leading the tour of the facility.
Not many people have an opportunity to work in a facility like this. They sponsored us and we were able to acquire this and work with all of these very cool and exciting tools.
Ethan helped describe the center's work, researching ways to strengthen the structural integrity of large offshore wind turbine blades and developing and manufacturing next-generation wind energy composites.
It's unique because we have a lot of space and we can actually physically manufacture some small-scale blades at the moment, and we can hopefully go into a much larger scale in the near future.
The Secretary also took time to look at projects in the university's Energy Device Fabrication Laboratories, everything from high-performance, low-cost superconductivity wires and coils for high-power next-generation wind turbine technology to the production of thin films for solar cells, flexible electronics, diodes, and transistors, all aimed at reducing manufacturing costs by some 70%.
He was very interested. He really got into the details of some of the projects that our researchers are doing.
When his tour wrapped up, Secretary Moniz called the University of Houston's energy research and academics programs a prime example of the Obama administration's all-of-the-above energy policy playing out in one place.
First of all, seeing the all of the above played out here on the ground with the subsea engineering, wind, semiconductors, superconductors. I think it's a terrific engineering program, very much in line with what we believe is that we're going to need all of these energy sources as we move to a low-carbon future.
It was very important for us to showcase ourselves as an energy university. I think he interacted very well with our PhD students, and I hope he has left from here impressed and knowing what we are doing and knowing what we are capable of doing.
The other thing that I'm very impressed with and we think is critically important is the training in these fields and learning this morning about the designation as a Hispanic Serving Institution. The President is personally very committed to this idea that we have to get a much more diverse workforce. It's a statement of what we need if we are going to meet the demands for a tremendously developing global market in new energy technology.